Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you the best way of dynamic concatenation of string, which is f-string formatting. So before getting to the topic, if you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon also and watch this video till end. Now let's get started. So as you all know that we have three types of strings where we can define these strings in single quotes, then we can define in double quotes, and we can define in three inverted commas also, right? So this is also fine. So if I'll type here try to catch, this is also fine. Try to, okay, so I'll just copy this. This is also fine, this is also fine, right? So we will get no error if I'll run this file, run, and yes, we are not getting error. So these are the three types of defining any string, right? So I'm not going into the deep what is the significance of this, because today's topic is f string, so we are going to focus on that. So the another way to define a string is like you just need to use f character. It can be in small or in caps also. So if I'll just define like this, and I'm going to have try to catch like this, so this is also fine. And if I'll have it like f try to catch, so this is also fine. We are not getting any red line or any error. So yes, everything is fine. Now what is the benefit of this f string, right? So as you all know, when we are going to append or have any dynamic string concatenation into any string, then we have to use a placeholder with the format method, or we need to use concatenation by having the add sign syntax, right? So what I'm talking about, let me show you. So okay, so like name equals to Akhilesh, right? So if I want to add this into like, so my name is, so here if I want to have my name, so what I can do, so I can have it like this. Oh sorry, name I should have, right? So here if I run this, then okay, so name, okay, so I have caps name. So now this is fine, and we are getting my name is Akhilesh, right? Another way to print this dynamic string or variable in a string, so we have this placeholder and we can use dot format method, right? So this is also fine. Yes. Another thing, we can have it like this also. We can give the parameter name, or it can be anything. It can be name or anything else, right? So I'm just going to copy this and this is also fine. Yes, we are getting the my name is Akhilesh. This is perfectly working, right? Now what if and what is the advantage of using f string concatenation? So for that, we don't require to use any format method or any plus sign in this string. So we can just declare that string with the f character. So what we can do, like if I'll just define this f string, and now here I don't require to just, okay, so let me show you another thing. When I remove this f, you can see this is these curly braces are treating as string itself, right? But when I am giving it small f, right, so it came to blue, and this name is taking as the variable, right? So in this case, when we are going to use f string, then we don't require this method. So I'm going to remove this, and this name is treating as variable name or not. So let me run this. So yes, name is not defined. It means this is treating as a variable, right? So when I'm having this name and I'm going to run this, yes, this is working perfectly fine, right? And even more, you can have any kind of multiplication or any kind of calculation over here, like 1 into 2, and if I'll run this, so it is also working fine, right? So it means anything which is given in the curly braces to a f string, that would be an object. Now the main advantage of using this f string, that is it is very fast compared to the format method, right? So friends, in future video, of course, I'm going to use this f string. I hope you are also going to implement the same. So I hope you like this video. If yes, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon also for more updates. So till then, thank you for watching. Jai Hind.